The UX series offers an industry-leading level of approximately 50% reduction in makeup fluid consumption. Thanks to Hitachi Original Makeup Fluid Consumption Reduction System, the UX series realizes major reductions in running costs. In addition, ink and makeup fluid bottles are replaced by cartridges to reduce the risk, such as getting your hands dirty or spilling ink when replenishing the ink. The amount of ink remaining can be checked on the monitor so that you can see at a glance when the cartridge needs replacement. Ink and makeup fluid in the cartridges can be used to the last drop. This means that you don't have to separate the ink or makeup fluid from the cartridge for disposal. It makes for major improvements in ease of use and environmental performance. Furthermore, one printhead is capable of printing up to 6 lines, which realizes clear and beautiful printing of each and every character, even when printing multiple lines. In addition, the operation screen features an easy-to-use 10.4-inch TFT LCD touch panel. The image of the finished print can be checked on the preview screen to prevent printing errors. The UX series also supports Open Network, which allows easy system configuration. The ease of installation makes it possible to be flexibly adapted even to production lines with a small space to spare. The UX series comprises a lineup of models with a wide range of functions capable of meeting a variety of printing needs. The UX series brings a new level of excitement to the world of coding.